Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. Come see the car for yourself.